Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always sharing the video. I really, really appreciate you all. So, my wonderful family, as you know, today I said no. I have to discuss with my people. I have to bring this update so that you know exactly what is happening right now, because I promise you that in this platform, I will bring the world closer to your doorstep. You know that everything is just so funny right now in Nigeria, and it is good that at times you witness some things that is going on so that you can tell your story more better. In life, nobody can tell your story. You have the say and you have the right to decide on everything or anything that you want to do. So since after the Nigeria presidential election, whereby INEC declared uh, Alhaji Asuwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu the president of the Republic of Nigeria, there is a lot of ups and downs. But you know that before now, the people they normally blame is IPOB, or they blame Eastern Security Network, or they call on Cyber Ekpa, and so many other people, according to the way this IPOB or liberation process is going. So right now they don't do that anymore. They don't blame the IPOB. They don't put a lot of blame on them anymore. But right now they took the blame to INEC. It's just like an exchange. They are not carrying the burden, the load and everything on INEC. What you are seeing right now is PDP protests led by Atiku Abubakar. He is also one of the presidential aspirants for this election 2023, but suddenly he could not make it also like Peter Obi. Here he is in the INEC office with his people leading a protest. Now come to think of it, Atiku is saying he is the winner. Peter Obi said he is the winner. Come on. They said when two elephants are fighting, the grass is the one that suffered. And the same Atiku also said that he will like to work with Peter Obi. They want to make alliance together. They want to work together. Now, if Peter Obi join Atiku and they are working together, what will be your fate? You that is fighting your brother, you that is fighting your sister, can't you see that politics is a game? If Peter Obi reconciled with Atiku Abubakar, if they make this alliance together, just like the way Atiku is shining this protest, his effort to take his mandate back according to him, what will be your fate? Can't you see that in politics you don't need to keep enmity? You don't need to hate under your brother. You don't need to hate under your sister. Because it will come to a point whereby these people will start working together all of a sudden. See, let me tell you something. Tinubu is not ready to work alone. Tinubu is ready to work with men. Tinubu is ready to work with a lot of people according to him. The same Peter Obi might fall in the chance to work with Mr. Tinubu or President Tinubu, just like the way they will address him now. What will not be your fate? So, these politicians you are seeing, they are all friends, they are all brothers, they are all sisters. You that stays at the middle, you are the one that they use to settle these conflicts. If you don't know, let me tell you something. You have been used. They just used you to get what they really want. Is earlier you understand the trick of these people, the better for you. When a lot of people were calling for protest, were calling a Labour Party for protest, Peter Obi said no, protest is not the right opinion, protest is not the right option. But here Atiku Abubakar is claiming all the mandate. Right now, what is happening here, you can try it in southeastern part of Nigeria. You know exactly what will happen already. Just like NSAS. You see, when these people push you to go and protest, they will not be part. But Atiku understand that Nigerian youth are now wise. They need accountability for everything. And everybody is running up and down because of their own selfish reason, not the interests of the people. So now that Atiku is also claiming the same mandate with Peter Obi, what are you going to do differently? So thank you so much, everyone. I said, let me bring this update here that Atiku just led a protest right now in Abuja, INEC office. So my collegistic people, you just understand that a lot of things happen these days. But the only place that you can see all the updates, all the latest happening is Progress News. We are bringing it to you raw and undiluted. Thank you so much, everyone, for liking our videos, for sharing and subscribing to join this great family. Thank you so much. As I come across your way next time, I still remain your one and only Progress News, bringing you all the updates. Thank you and bye-bye.